Hi, I'm Ashley and welcome to Consonants. Today we are going to learn the last consonant sounds. Are you ready? Let's go! Consonants are the speech sounds that are not vowels. Here you can see all the consonants of the alphabet. Remember that just like vowels, each consonant has its own sound. Today we're going to learn the last 6 consonants: T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's take a closer look at each one to learn these sounds. This is the letter T. T makes the T sound, like in table or tent. Say it with me. T. Great job. This is the letter V. V makes the V sound, like in van or vest. What sound? V. Perfect. This is the letter W. W makes the W sound, like in wet or win. What sound? W. This is the letter X. X makes the X sound at the end of words, like fox and box. Say the sound with me. X. This is the letter Y. Remember, Y is sometimes a vowel, but as a consonant, Y makes the Y sound, like in yo-yo or yarn. What sound? Y. Great job. And now we're at the last one. You ready? Z makes the Z sound, like zebra and zipper. What sound? Z. Perfect. Congratulations! You just learned the last 6 consonants and their sounds. Wow! Now you know all of them. Go tell someone which sounds you learned today. Then be sure to practice what you've learned with our online games and quizzes. And remember, always be clever.
Hey, hey!